We have Pop Rocks. I haven't had these in 10, I'm doing it. Yeah, I haven't had them in 10 years for a reason. Yeah, it's not my thing. They're strong. Oh my God, they're strong. Okay. Hey guys, I'm Manny MUA and I'm here with ELLE and we're gonna be seeing today which 6 beauty products are in this mystery bag to do a look in 5 minutes. I'm really nervous, but I'm actually really excited. Okay, so let's see what's in this bag. I lifted it up. It's a little light, which freaks me out. It doesn't even feel like a foundation can be in here, and I'm like, okay. Well, let's just see what is in this little baggie, honey. Oh, so we have craft supplies and Pop Rocks. We have lashes, we have this is gonna be really interesting, I'm so excited. We have gloss, we have little tiny baby brushes for an infant, which is great. And we have a pink pencil. Okay, so we're gonna get this started. I'm gonna have you hold a little baggie.
Thank you.
And I'm going to go in with our first product. We have the Kat Von D Roxy Purple Brow Color. And we're gonna use that as our eyeshadow base. Because I'm like, you know what? We gotta do something, you know what I'm saying? I just feel like purple is just really pretty. It's very in right now. You know, I'm wearing purple personally and I live for it. So we're just gonna blend that all over. Oh my gosh, this is like so stressful. How do I do this in 5 minutes? I've never even used these brow products before, so that's really intriguing right now. Got a little soft purple base. Now we're gonna use the Pop Rocks. We're gonna put that as on top of the base. You know, I just feel like we want a little bit of texture. You know what I mean? We want a little some. We're gonna take a little bit of eyelash glue. I'm gonna put that on the center of the lid. And we're gonna glue it down into the center. Just for something cool and unique. You know, while that's drying, we're gonna take advantage of the fact that it's drying. We're gonna take some gloss. I'm gonna put that on the lip. Oh my gosh, this is a galaxy, honey. But, the whole vibe for this is very galactic and spacey, almost like alien-esque. True alien beauty, you know what I mean? So that's what we're doing. We're gonna do a little glitter lip. We're taking Pop Rocks for the texture, of course. On our finger, it's fine. Oh Lord Jesus, be with us. Okay, we're gonna try this out. You know, it might feel uncomfortable, but that's the goal, you know? If it's not hurting, it's not beauty. So I feel like there's that, and we're gonna go ahead and just pop it into the center. Gorgeous, wow. I'm gonna take these little rhinestones, I'm gonna take the green ones, because we're really going for this green continuity right now to emphasize a creature of some type, you know? Something really, you know, I feel like if she lived on the moon, she could get it, you know what I mean? So I feel like that's very the vibe. This little pink pencil, I'm gonna run it all over our hand, and we're gonna use that as a little bit of blush. You know, we're gonna really just take advantage of the, oh, nothing's coming off, great. So we're gonna make this work. Something subtle. God, it's like time is against me right now. Okay, I'm gonna pop a little bit of blush on the cheek. It's part of the alien-esque look, you know, just a little pop. You really gotta think on your toes with this kind of challenge, and I kind of live for it. It's looking real cute. You look gorgeous. Do a little bit of pink on the lip. Might as well just emphasize it a little bit. Emphasize those corners. Stunning. Gorgeous, out of this world beauty. Oh, I cannot believe we're actually getting this like accomplished. Like I'm truly shook right now. Can we get a lash on? I don't even know, but we're gonna try. My goodness. How do you even put these on? I have never seen a lash like this. See this? What is it? I don't know. So we're gonna go and just try to put it on her eye. It's like a very Halloween-esque lash, and I've never used a Halloween lash in my life. So we're gonna try it. Maybe we'll just do one eye, you know, just for the fact that, you know, she's that girl on the go. Open your eyes for me. Oh, my sweet Jesus. Okay, we're gonna do it one more time. What kind of cheap lash? You don't even want to stick. We're gonna pretend it's glued on, open. Wow. Okay. A vision. A vision. This is what you wanna be on Venus. Not Earth necessarily, but Venus for sure. Well, this is a look I can create in 5 minutes, and it's something. It is something. So I would say for the next person doing this challenge, use your time wisely and try to use every product. I try to use every single product, and that was the goal, and I did. So I'm happy with the look, how it turned out. It could have been worse. Could have been worse.